Hello mga ka-SLAS! Min Bernardo, the mother of Katrin Bernardo, congratulated her daughter who bagged the Box Office Queen Award at the 2024 Box Office Entertainment Awards presented by the Guillermo Mendoza Memorial Scholarship Foundation, Incorporated. She congratulated Katrin and thanked the foundation. Min also thanked her daughter for always making her proud and considered the award of Kat as a very good gift for Mother's Day. Katrin and Alden Richards were chosen as the Box Office Queen and King at the 2024 Box Office Entertainment Awards. Kat won the award for her outstanding performance in A Very Good Girl, while Alden won the award for his role in Five Breakups and a Romance. Katrin Bernardo is one of the most popular and acclaimed Filipino film and television actresses. She is considered one of the most successful celebrities because of her blockbuster movies. She holds the highest grossing Filipino film of all the time, Hello, Love, Goodbye with Alden Richards. It also became the highest grossing Filipino film in the Middle East, Australia, and North America. And here are clips from Ideal Vision who could have seen Kat with her mom for Mother's Day. Ideal Vision is one of the brand that Katrin endorsed. And that's for all mga ka-SAAS. Thank you for watching.